so happy, but without you here, I feel so low.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining, and if this is your first time, welcome. So glad you're here. Today I'm going to be doing a video on this eyeshadow look right here. If you're interested, keep on watching. Alright guys, so today we're starting off with an already done face. Eyebrows are done, lids primed, and we're just going to go straight into this eyeshadow look. I'm going to start with the Morphe 35M palette. I'll show you what it looks like right there. And I'm going to start off, I think, with this caramel looking color right there. I'm going to go in with my MAC 224, just a really nice fluffy brush. And I'm just going to start coloring in my whole eye. It's nothing really nice and neat. I'm just trying to get like some color on there. Something that I can use like for my transition, you know? Do the same on the other eye.
As you left, but I can never seem to let you go. 'Cause once upon a time you were my everything.
Now that I've got a little bit of color on there, I'm gonna start going in with some color. Pink color. I'm gonna use this one here. And I'm just gonna go a little bit lower than I went with that brown. So I'll just start basically in my crease, and then just kind of, as I put this all over my eye, and I get most of the shadow off of the brush, then I'll go up to the top to kind of like blend it in. But I just want to get it basically like all over my eye for now. And you see how now there's not a lot left on the brush, so now I'm just going back to kind of smoke it up there and to kind of blend it into that brown. See how the edge kind of just went away now that I got all that color off?
It's clear to see that time hasn't changed a thing. It's buried deep inside me, but I feel there's something you should know.
Now to give the eye a little bit of dimension, I'm gonna go in with a little bit more intense color. I'm just gonna move from this one over to this one. And every time I add a shade, I don't go up quite as high, so you can start to see like a gradient effect. I'm deepening it the lower you get into my crease, not over my crease.
I will never forget you. You will always be by my side.
And again, once I get most of the eyeshadow off of the brush, like see how like I can't put anything more on my lid, then I'll go back up and just kind of blend out, just to make sure that the edges are blown out and that I don't have any harsh lines. I'll go back in, do the other eye.
From the day that I met you, I knew that I would love you till the day I die. And I will never want much more. And in my heart I will always be sure I will never forget you.
Now just for effect, I'm gonna do that one more time. All over, but a little deeper. This time we're gonna go here with this color. And again, we'll start a little lower. And now I'm starting to get down to the corner of my eye. You see the outer corner is starting to pick up more color. I'm making sure it's getting deeper in the crease, but not too much above the crease.
Always be by my side till the day I die.
And now that that color was so deep, I'm going to take a clean brush, which is a 217, and I'm just going to go over the edges just to make sure that nothing is harsh. clean brush. Blend all the edges out.
Funny how we both end up here, but everything seems so right.
Alright, and I'm pretty happy with that. So now, just to make it fun, I'm going to put a little bit of glitter on. Give it a little sparkle. So I'm using this Anastasia in the color Star Power. Don't know if you could see that. It opens like this, and I'm just going to pour a little out on a little piece of plastic I got here on my desk. And then I'm going to go in with the Anastasia glitter adhesive. It's like a nail polish applicator. I'm just going to put some on my hand like this. And I'll take a brush, a 195 by MAC, and I will pat this on my eye. Just on the lid part. And then I'm going to use that same brush. I'm going to pick up some glitter, and I'm just going to put this on my eye.
What would happen if we went back and put up a fight? 'Cause you wanna tell me what everything. It's clear to see the time hasn't changed. Oh, and just what do you think could ever take you off my mind?
Now I'll do the same thing on the other eye.
Everything that we do, and all along I knew I had something special with you. But sometimes you just gotta know that these things fall through. I can have my connection with you. I will never forget you. You always be by my side. Keep on the day that I met you. I knew that I would love you till the day I die. 'Cause I want much more.
Now I'm going to go back with my fluffy brush and just put a little bit more of that dark color on the end, like on the corner, the outer corner of my eye.
Till the day I die.
Now it kind of looks like you got a glitter cut crease with nowhere near the work. Now I'm going to go off camera and put on my liner and lashes and be back to show you the finished look. Alright guys, now that I've got my lashes on, my liner is on, now I just realized that this needs a little something else because it's just not sparkly enough. So I'm going to go in with my Glitter and Glow Stila liquid eyeshadow in the color Perlina. I'm going to put a dab of that in my inner corner. I hope I don't get it all over my lashes. And then I am going to take a small Morphe brush. It is a 507. And I'm going to go into my Makeup Shayla Perception palette by ColourPop. And I'm going to take the color Unbothered here. And I'm going to spray that with Fix Plus. And I'm just going to go right on there. Just give it that little pop. Spray again. See what I'm saying? Inner highlight, pop a little bit. Alright guys, so that is the final look. I hope you like it. It's pretty easy, right? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Give me some comments down below. Let me know what you like, what do you want to see next. Let me know what you think. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all that stuff. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. See you later. Bye, guys.